way,
for having me.
before you go, I don't understand this. I bring your package, them come and give you. What do you have to say about you know, this kind of service? I really don't get it. Cross button for this one.
Guys, so when I say this because I know you, I go on pink wall and make sure I comment on the page and say you have the best customer service.
We got you.
Whoever is behind the Alpha Import WhatsApp, want to make a bag of sense because the man is just so patient,
right?
And him just understanding. You know, it make me feel like family. When I like, yes, you never know.
We make you feel like family.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
and I also want to remind you guys about our platinum cover. Now that's the insurance that make sure we guarantee once we receive your package in our hands, you are going to get it. And that's a guarantee.
For sure.
And we guarantee that you are going to fly.
Yes, yes.
So have a wonderful one.
Thanks for
having me. Pleasure doing business with you.
You too.
Right, big up yourself. Fly one. Fly one. Watch her fly. Watch her fly. Watch her fly. Now watch me fly. It's like eagle fly.